Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text on Wix. So let's get started. So as of right now, I'm on the Wix website editor right here. And as you can see, if I click on the text, you will be able to see these options right here. So just if you click on this Wix editor right here, you won't be able to see the option to rotate your text. So what you can do is you can actually just close this first. And then from there, just click on Tools, click on Toolbar, and then this will open your toolbar right here. Then you can just click on the text that you want. Then from in there, you should be able to just switch it out just like that right here. So you can also just change the angle, which is the accurate angle with this. So if I put 180 right here, this will look like this, and I can rotate it whatever position I want to rotate it into. So I can also rotate it by 90 degrees, just like that. Or I can just wing it by just using this rotate option right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to rotate text on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.